Hello grade 8s, we are on page 59 of your accounting booklets. I'm just going to show you the format. There is a document which is your source document, the day, the name of payee is the person that you're paying the money towards. Okay, so if it's a person that you're paying, the person's name would be here, the amount in the bank will be here, then there's two columns, wages and stationery. The reason for that is because we do a lot of transactions in wages and stationery and that's the reason why we will have specific columns for that. Remember, it goes into the bank always. Wages and stationery are accounts that is often used, so there's a separate account, in a sense special accounts for this business. And then any other account, any other asset that we bought, or any expense that we paid for, we'll put the details here, that account and amount over here. Alright, so always a check counterfoil, so you can have the numbers there, the day of the month. Name of payee, just I want to point out, the name of the individual or business that you're paying will be here. The exception will be, alright, look at the exception. When it's wages or money withdrawn from the business account, bank account, to put in a cash float or the register, we use cash as the name of the payee. Alright, so if it's wages, if we're paying wages, we're going to put cash here. If it's going to be cash float for the cash register, we're going to put cash here. Otherwise, we put the person's name there. Okay? Every single transaction in the bank, the total amount of money in the business spends is deducted from the business bank account, so it will always go from the business bank account. When a business is paying two separate individuals or business on a day, it must be recorded separately. So every specific check that you make out will be recorded separately. But if the business is paying one individual a lot of things, we add it up to put it in the bank, and we separate it here on the right hand side in the specific accounts. Wages and stationery only record the money spent on the wages and stationery in these two columns, and the sundry accounts only record money spent on other expenses than wages and stationery in this case. In the sundry account. Okay, so that's page 59.